There is nothing that is called rest of mind. When you have rest of mind, your skin will be glow. Oh, what is it? Please, I'm sorry, it's my son. You know they are twins. So if you have rest of mind, you will have a glow skin. Your skin will be gloomy. Your skin will be shiny. Your face, everything will come back to normal. You have to give yourself rest of mind. That is just the only cream that you need in life. That is just the only thing, the only.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me wet. And I can see her when.
Hi family, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I greet you all according to your time. My name is Peace and you are watching Peace Love TV. If today is your first time of coming across this video or coming across my channel, please guys kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press that notification bell, very important, very important, so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first to be notified. On this channel, I talk about business, how to start up a business with a little sum of money or without having any money at all. You can visit any of my videos for more clarification. If you can see anything that will interest you concerning business, where to start, how to start. Please guys, it's my little girl. Mama. She don't want to go and meet her daddy. Where to start, and you will see everything on the channel, and how to keep your customer. Everything is on my channel there. You will see the guidelines on where to start from, how to start from, how to keep your client. You are going to see all the guidelines there. Everything is there. Please visit my channel. Visit any of my video. I know you will not regret it. And here I also teach about how to remove watermarks from your video. You know what is watermarks? When you have done your video and that symbol that the app that you use to upload your video, the thing will just be there. So I've done 2 videos about this on how you are going to remove it so that nobody will know the app that you use. So everything is on my channel here, so you can visit it and see if anything interests you. My people, I really want to appreciate everyone that take their time to come out to wish my daughter happy birthday. I love to celebrate her a lot because if not she, maybe one day I'm going to give a story on how I give birth to her. Then you will see the reason why I love celebrating her. My friends always ask me, I have a lot of children. I have 4 kids, but I don't really celebrate them the way I normally celebrate this my first daughter. Not that I don't celebrate my kids, I do, but they say according to them that this girl, I always do everything, spend money on her birthday, all those things. This girl, this my particular child, I will do a video on a very good day. I'm going to do a video on how I give birth to her. Indeed, you will tell me that she needs to be celebrated every day. This child is really a blessing. If not she, people for that they laugh me, for that they call me a gun, for that they call me different. No one's been of a gun woman that I cannot give birth, barren woman, different names. You will not understand, but I'm going to do a video of it because I know it's going to be, the video is going to be long. So I will try one day and do a video on how I give birth to her. You will be surprised of what no, this girl is really a place. So guys, it's not really my fault that I don't celebrate. Not that I don't celebrate the rest of my children. I love all of them, I celebrate them, but there's a but there, and the but, yeah, no, you people will not understand. But I really thank you guys that came out to wish her happy birthday. I really appreciate you all. I don't know where to start from. I don't know, I'm going to mention names. Mama mia, the people are really much. We have God Said and Precious. We have Natural Journey with Benny. We have Simply Nolly. We have AB Varieties. We have Limousine Kitchen, Glory Best TV, Joy Lucky TV, Slim Sandy TV. They are really Boss Lady TV. And which other person? They are really much. Please pardon me. I'm supposed to write their names down. Please, Just pardon me. I wanted not to mention names because they are really much. You understand? The names are more. I didn't want to appreciate each and every one of you. Please, if you did not hear your name, please just pardon me. I beg you. I did not write the names down. Please. I really appreciate each and every one of you. May God bless you. You really came out with your time. You brought out your time to come and wish a happy birthday. I thank you so much. Today topic is just, I don't want, this video will not just be long at all. I don't want to encourage one or two persons. Please, sorry for the noise. It's my daughter. She's really disturbing. I don't want to appreciate. I just want to bring the topic just about appreciating yourself, your own self. Don't allow people to appreciate you, to appreciate you. That means don't allow people to say, you want to wait for people to appreciate your own self. You have to make yourself to be happy. I really want to encourage one or two persons today because it's not God. Now let God for know what it will happen. But as far as you have slept and you have woken up, you need to give God a praise for making it possible for it to make you to see today. Let me tell you something. Happiness, they don't use money buy them. They know they use money buy happiness. People when you they kill yourself for. People when they love, they know they love back. People when they try to kill yourself put. If you die today, one hand, they will only just mourn you for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. 3 weeks self now is going too long. You understand? Before 2 weeks, you are gone. She was, now they're going to talk. He was, now they're going to talk. So guys, need to make yourself happy. Give yourself rest of mind. Problem not the finish you. Family problem, marriage problem, home problem, whatever problem not the finish. So what you just need to do, you just have to just ignore it and make yourself happy. You understand? Always make yourself happy. No matter what in life. If you did not give yourself happiness, nobody will give it to you. Your husband cannot give you happiness. Your wife cannot give you happiness. Your parents cannot give you happiness. What do I mean by that? Not that they cannot give us happiness, but there is something that they will buy for us. We will just be happy, that movement. That's what I meant by that. You will just be happy. This is beautiful. Thank you, my love. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy. Thank you, this. Thank you, that. It's not going to last for long. It's not going to last long. It's not going to last for a month. It's going to last for 2 months. It's not just going to last for a long time. So it's for you. No, now take, please. I'm sorry, guys. It's my daughter. Take. You understand? It's for you to give your own self happiness. Because if the thing that they bought for you and got spoiled, happiness is not finished for the happy. You go to come this sad. Maybe, okay, our husband bought us brand new phone like Apple 11 Pro, and suddenly the phone just fell down, scatter. You know, when you want to repair that phone, not be small. It will make you sad. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that's what I'm trying to explain. So you have to give yourself happiness anytime, any day, so that your face will not be wrinkled, so that you will have a fresh body. If there are some organic cream when you will buy, it not go work for your body if your mind not settled. There are some expensive creams. All those organic, better one, you will get it to make your face look brighter, to make your skin to be beautiful. Without rest of mind, you know go work. I have tried it. Now myself, I tell you, give example. I'm using myself as an example. There is no cream that I've not used when I was having a lot of a little issue. My face was very black. Everybody was asking me, what is it? What is it? And during that period, I was using organic cream. I know how much I bought those organic creams. Me that is not a fancy of organic cream, but I have to do it for just to make my face to come back, for my skin, because then my hand, my wrinkle, everything was just dark because of the problem I was having. But when I realized that giving myself happiness will be the cream to myself, my face started coming out. I didn't use cream again. My face suddenly started coming out. My skin, everything started coming out, and people were asking me, which cream you can use now? Which cream? It was not organic cream again. And I find out that there is nothing that is called rest of mind. When you have rest of mind, your skin will be glow. What is it? Please, I'm sorry, it's my son. You know they are twins. So if you have rest of mind, you will have a glow skin. Your skin will be gloomy. Your skin will be shiny. Your face, everything will come back to normal. you have to give yourself rest of mind. That is just the only cream that you need in life. That is just the only thing, the only food, the only thing that you need in life. What you need in life is what is called rest of mind. Give yourself that. As you do, may God bless you today in Jesus' name. I said it before, and I'm not going to make this video to be long. I just want to encourage one or two person. I don't know what we are passing through now. Always know that it will not last long. It will be a story that you will say, that you will tell tomorrow. So give yourself happiness. It's not going to last long. As I conclude this video, like my children have started again. I thought they are sleeping. I said, let me just quickly come and give. What is it now? I am coming. So guys, if today is your first time, if you have watched this video to this extent and you have not subscribed, please try and do so. May God bless you in Jesus' name. I have to attend to my daughter now. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Please, if you have any question, just put it on the comment section. If you have any contribution, also put it there. I will answer you. Ciao. Bye-bye.